Hello, you guys. I know it's been a hot minute, but your girl been busy working. So I bring you today, part two, life of a construction worker. I am currently on my way to work. They have your girl on nights. I'm on day 6 of my detox. I wanted to share that with you guys. The child working 12 hours a day. I've been exhausted, and then switching from day shift to night shift. So, but yeah. Hi, I miss you guys. I'm so excited to share a lot of good things I have coming up. I purchased some goodies for my channel. I'm excited to share those things with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and focus on this road right now because I'm on my way to work. And I will get back with you guys later to show you what I packed for my lunch. Bye. Okay, you guys. So I made it to work. And here is what I brought for lunch. So I have almonds to snack on, a handful to be exact. I have 2 boiled eggs, green smoothie approved. I have the best alkaline water ever. If you hadn't tried the Life 10 all natural electrolyte alkaline water, 7.8 pH. It is amazing. I don't know what you're doing with your life, but it's great. It actually gives you natural energy, and it has a high alkaline in it. That's why I love it. I'll leave a link in the description in case you guys want to try that. It's like $12 a case for that one, and then they have smaller bottles for a different price as well, like a 24 pack. Okay, and I also have, if I can get it open, child, let me see. In this bag, I have it separate because I do want it to stay cold. So what I do is I freeze a bottle of water and put down in there because it's like a tight little bag, insulated bag or whatever bag that stays cold. So I put that frozen bottle of water in there, and then I have my green smoothie that I put in there, and it stays cold. We go to lunch at like 11, and I'll have that. But before lunch, I'll be then ate the eggs. And then around 3 a.m., I find myself wanting to snack on something, and that's when I have my handful of almonds. As far as the Life 10 alkaline water, I have 3 of those that I'll drink throughout the night, and then I have this 4th one that I'm drinking on now. So yeah, that's about it, guys. So I'm gonna try to come back on before we get started working. If not, I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye. Hey, you guys, welcome back. I am home now from work, and I froze my behind off. So I am going to get in my sauna. I do have my sauna suit on. As I showed you in the previous video, it's fitting a whole lot better these days because the inches are falling. But I also want to show you my new sweat belt that I purchased from a coworker. I've been wearing it for about a week or so now, but I do like to get in the sauna with it on. It's really good quality, good material. I love the fit. As you can see, I have it pretty snug. I have a lot of room in it as to other belts. This one is a large, and it fits really well, but it's designed to help you sweat those inches off. And the designer of this waist belt is called Jess My Body, and she is on Instagram. I will be doing a separate video on this because I am documenting my waist and the measurements of when I first started using it a week ago, and I'm going to use it for a whole month, and it'll be a video in itself. So excuse me if I'm a little low or if I'm looking a little crazy. I've only worked all night, but I froze my butt off. And as you know, I did mention earlier in the video that I am detoxing. So I'm on day, well, when I went to work, I was on day 6, but this morning is day 7. But because I froze my butt off, I said I was coming straight home before I take a shower or anything. I'm going to put my sauna suit on, and I'm going to hop in my portable sauna. If you're interested in that, I did share it in a previous video. I'll link that at the bottom as well on where you can get it from and all that good stuff. But let me just give you a close-up of the belt. This is it. And honey, it's just my body. It fits really, really well. I like the quality of it. I like the fit. I like everything about it. That's how it looks in the back. So, yeah, let's get into it. I bet I'm about to warm up now because I froze my butt off last night, y'all. Do you hear me? It was cold as I don't know what. And I'll be back at the end of the 30 minutes. I got the temperature at 150, and I have the foot heat at the same, and it's going to be for 30 minutes. Oh, this is construction, day in the life of a construction worker. Just to give you a little bit of what I do, because unfortunately we are not allowed to video inside the plant, whether it be a chemical plant or refinery. You cannot video, period. Very strict about that. But yeah, I do fire wash, hole wash. So when you fire wash for guys that's doing hot work, for us welders, whether they pipe fitting or welding or what have you. You fire wash for them, containing all the sparks, and just basically making sure don't no fire break out, and making sure they're working within the permit, because they have to have a permit to do any work. So you're just basically making sure they work within the permit. Hole watch is basically, you're a safety attendant doing it as well. The only difference is you signing people in and out of confined spaces, and you have to sign them in and out. Make sure they're going in with the right PPE. Make sure they are working within the permit. Just make sure, basically a lookout, make sure, nobody goes down in the hole, make sure nobody gets sick. So yeah, that's basically just a short little breakdown of what I do.
Loose stomach, and he could use a training bra. Take a look. This is the before. This is the before.
1 minute left, y'all.
He looks like a regular guy.
And it's time.
But my type in real life is the first guy, because this one seems like you gotta try too hard. Like, I like to eat, like, aw. Anyway, this is what he did. He said for 1 year to get in shape for Marvel's upcoming Eternals movie. He's a star, right? So he's honest.
If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for being subscribed to my channel. I promise to upload more content sooner than later. And I'm going to go ahead and go take a shower so I can go to bed, because I have to go to work tonight as well. Deuces. Oh, follow me on Instagram at Mika_OnceUponADime. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel and you like what you're seeing, or you like what I do share, go ahead before you go and hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Peace. Hakima's way.